Ever wondered how websites are built? How your favorite blog, e-commerce platform, or even a corporate website comes to life? Well, the answer lies in HTML, the backbone of the web. It's a tool that empowers developers to create dynamic and structured content for websites. In the next 7 minutes, we'll dive into the world of HTML and its key functionalities and features. Starting with the basics, HTML or hypertext markup language is used to define the structure of web pages. It does this with the help of elements like headings, paragraphs, lists, images, and links. These elements lay the foundation for engaging user experiences on the web. But HTML isn't just about creating content. It's also about organizing it in a way that makes sense to both users and search engines. This is where HTML's semantic elements come in. Elements like O and help developers to structure the content, providing clarity and improving accessibility. So far, we've learned that HTML helps to create and organize web content. But it's more than just a tool for structure and organization. HTML also allows developers to embed multimedia content like audio, video, and interactive forms, enhancing the overall user experience. So what have we learned today? HTML is a versatile and robust tool that is essential for web development. It helps in crafting immersive web experiences, from structuring content to enhancing accessibility. It's the starting point for any web development journey, whether you're building a personal blog, an e-commerce platform, or a corporate website. Remember, every great website starts with HTML. It's the canvas upon which developers paint the web. So why wait? Start your HTML journey today, and who knows, the next great website might just be yours.